Cracked feet and heel fissures are a common problem for many people, and it is caused by a lack of moisture in the skin. Whilst dry skin on the feet is hardly a big medical problem in itself, it can be embarrassing, especially in the winter. 1. Lemon juice or vinegar. Soaking your feet in pure lemon juice, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar is also a possibility one time weekly. The acidity helps break down dead, dry skin for easier removal. This is also an excellent treatment for athlete's foot. 2. Avocado oil. It's excellent for cuts, scrapes and cracked skin. It helps to kill germs and heal and moisturize skin. Rub a teaspoon of avocado oil on feet before bedtime. Cover with socks and wake up in the morning to soft heels. Repeat each night until skin is healed. 3. Banana and coconut mask. Mash a banana in 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply to cracked heels and let sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash in a warm bath and pat dry. The banana and coconut oil are loaded with natural enzymes that help to encourage cell turnover and moisturize skin. 4. Olive oil. You can use it as the base oil in any of our recipes for masks and scrubs we have already mentioned, and you can use it as an emergency treatment too. A few dabs of olive applied to dry skin at any time of the day will soften the skin and make the cracks far less painful. 5. Lemon and sugar scrub. Dip your feet in lukewarm water for 10 minutes. Make a scrub by putting 1 tablespoon of sugar. Squeeze 1 whole lime in it. Rub it well on the cracked heels. Rinse and dry. Repeat it every day for a week. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.